Next, we are going to use the calculator to find confidence intervals for the mean when sigma is known and when we are given a dataset. So we first need to enter in the dataset, so we have to go to stat edit, and then we want to go to the zinterval command, but this time select data instead of stats. So an advertiser wants to estimate the mean length of time in minutes the average US adult spends watching live streams online each day. To determine this estimate, the advertiser takes a random sample of 20 US adults and obtains the times in minutes below. From past studies, the advertiser knows that the population is normally distributed with a standard deviation of 4.3 minutes. Construct a 99% confidence interval for the population mean minutes watched, and then interpret the results. So the sample size is only 20. However, we do know that it's normally distributed, so we're okay. So sigma is 4.3. Our confidence level is 0.99, and we want to go to zinterval and then select data. And before we can select the zinterval with data, we actually have to enter in the data. So we want to go to stat edit, and then enter in all of the data, and then go to stat over to tests, and then down to zinterval. And this time we want to make sure that the input is on data and not stats. Our sigma is 4.3. Our list is L1 because that's where we entered in the information. We want to set the frequency to 1. Our confidence level is 0.99. And then now we can press calculate. So our confidence interval rounded to two places is 21.62 to 26.58. So that is our confidence interval. And what that means is, with 99% confidence, we can say that the true population mean length of time is between 21.62 and 26.58 minutes.